Hello everyone, my name is Mamta. I welcome you all on the YouTube channel of Triveni Institute of Divine Science. So we are nowadays taking up discussion about all about Goddess Lakshmi. So in the previous video, you just had an overview of Goddess Lakshmi and her form of Shri Devi. So now we will see a few more things. By her blessing and her nature of giving so much, here arise the concept of Ashtalakshmi, the eight auspicious forms of goddess, which are variously mapped to Ashtasiddhi. So here we are seeing the eight goals and achievements of life. These are spiritual enlightenment, food, knowledge, resources, progeny, abundance, patience, and success. So each and every form of Goddess Lakshmi, and as a main form of Goddess Lakshmi, Mahalakshmi, she is the bestower of all these eight goals to human life. So if we want to achieve any of these or all of these, we need to worship Goddess Lakshmi because she is the only one who gives these each and every goal and achievement into our life. There is eightfold dharma, that is the eight virtue of our life. Lord Buddha has propagated a lot about these, and he was insisting to each and every person to follow on these. And these are right view, right intention, right speech, right conduct, right livelihood, right efforts, right mindfulness, and right meditation. And if everything is right into our life, then all achievements and all karamphal and everything in our life will go right, of course. And so, with the definition of these righteous nature, the virtues of our life, without Goddess Lakshmi's help, without Goddess Lakshmi's blessing, we can't achieve these right virtues of too. Like if we want to follow a righteous path, we have to take refuge into the lotus feet of Goddess Lakshmi only. And now we'll see the eight directions. Eight directions, these are used in Dik Chakra and Vastu, astrology and Vastu Feng Shui. So when we talk about this Dik Chakra, this applies to all other, like previous one, we discussed eight forms, eightfold dharma, virtues and everything. So this applies, this is mapped to this. And when we talk about these eight forms of Goddess Lakshmi, they are also mapped to these directions, and these help like in various directions of Vastu as a complex in our house or a office. In the various doshas of these directions, we need to worship that particular form of goddess. So right now we are having an overview of this, but in coming videos, we will discuss each and everything in detail so that you can get benefit out of it. These are the four cardinal and four sub-directions, out of which east direction is lorded by Lord Indra and the planet Sun. Northeast direction is lorded by Lord Ishana, and the planet lording is Jupiter. And north direction is lorded by Kubera, and its planet is Mercury. West direction is ruled by Lord Varuna, and it's lorded by planet Saturn. Northwest direction is lorded by Vayudev, and its ruling planet is Moon. South direction is ruled by Yama, and its planet is Mars. Southeast direction is Agni Dev, and its planet ruling is Venus. Southwest direction is ruled by Neriti, and the planet ruling is Rahu. So, when we have any flaw, any dosha in any particular direction, we need to take refuge into the lotus feet of Goddess Lakshmi, ruling this particular direction, or the Lord which just now I narrated, and or the planet related to these directions. Now we come to our main Ashtalakshmi, 8 types of wealth in the human life. Lakshmi is present into our life as various forms, and all these forms are ruling our life at various stages, out of which Adi Lakshmi or the Mahalakshmi is the first manifestation of Lakshmi. She rules all the like ancestral wealth and the main wealth of our family, which is like Pidi dar Pidi it goes. And Dhanya Lakshmi is the granary wealth, like the amount of grains into our house, the food we eat that is ruled by Dhanya Lakshmi. Veera Lakshmi, the wealth of courage. So having a courage, having courage to fight, having courage to achieve, having courage to follow something, a good target of your life, that is also bestowed by Goddess Lakshmi, Veera Lakshmi. Gaj Lakshmi, she is the ruler of honor of elephants, and here in this form, elephants are spraying water on her. Wealth of fertility, rains, and food, everything is ruled by this Gaj Lakshmi, and she is the goddess who bestows vehicles, chariots, and the big items of our house, because elephant rules the big thing. So anything which is very big is ruled by, like, big business, big money, big saving account, and a huge heap of clothes. Everything is ruled by Gajalakshmi. Santanu Lakshmi, she is the wealth of progeny, children, and the continuity of our lineage. Vidya Lakshmi, she is the bestower of wealth of knowledge and wisdom. Since the childhood, every child is, in need of uh, blessings of Vidya Lakshmi, and in later age also, even in job, even in business, or even in household, or even in your health issues, everywhere you require knowledge. So that knowledge is ruled by Vidya Lakshmi. Vijay Lakshmi, she is the bestower of wealth of victory and achievement of anything, any victory, legal, illegal thing, legal cases, and winning over an argument, debate, or winning over an interview, winning over anything is Vijaya Lakshmi. Dhan and Aishwarya Lakshmi, she is the ruler of wealth. She actually gives prosperity. So prosperity of anything in our life, even of fortune, she is the ruler. So Dhana Lakshmi and Aishwarya Lakshmi is the 8th form of Lakshmi. And next is our Ashtavinayaka. Ashtavinayaka, the 8 forms of Ganpati, they are worshipped along with the Lakshmi only, because in Puranas it is said that Lakshmi is not worshipped alone. So Lakshmi is either worshipped with the Narayana or Lord Vishnu and with the Lord Ganesha. So by removing obstacles and vikaras of a person, Ganpati opens the channel to welcome Lakshmi. And they are both together worshipped in all the directions. And these forms are Vikat, Lambodar, Gajanan, Ekdant, Mahudar, Vakratunda, Vignaraja, and Dhumravarna. We will understand all these in our coming videos and in our magazine, e-magazine, The Parascience. And from August issue only, these are all being explained into that also. And you will understand the Ashtalakshmi Stotram, word by word meaning and how to chant that to get the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi. Thank you so much for being with me. And please subscribe the channel for further updates.